talk a little bit about the art and science of microwave baking. In our process, it is truly the art and science of steam baking. And the science part behind it is that we take very water-soluble foods, we cook them at very low temperatures for very short periods of time. This creates the steaming effect. And steaming by far is the healthiest way to cook. It helps maximize your nutrient retention. You're not overheating or overcooking all the nutrients out of your food. But the best part about it is the art part. Have fun with it. Get creative. Get the family involved. Customize your Dr. Bob's Health and Wellness foods to your own dietary needs. Now our mix already comes with a powerful combination of superfoods that have great health benefits, but you can add any healthy food or healthy liquid of choice to up the nutrient profile. So for example, if you need more protein, add more nuts or seeds, eggs, healthy protein powders. You can even substitute a high protein drink for the liquid in the recipe. You need more fiber? Add high fiber foods. It's just that easy. If you go to our website, you'll find over 50 recipes, tips, and suggestions to help you through the process. It is our mission to help create a happier, healthier world through our truly transformational steam-baked, healthy comfort foods.